Personality typing systems like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator offer a framework for understanding these differences. They help us see why we might prefer certain types of content creation over others. By identifying our strengths, preferences, and natural inclinations, we can gain valuable insights into our creative processes. This self-awareness can be a powerful tool in honing our craft. This understanding can help us play to our strengths, refine our content creation approach, and ultimately connect with our audiences more effectively. Knowing our personality type can guide us in making content that truly resonates. In this video, we'll explore how 5 distinct personality types, ENFJ, ENTJ, INTP, ISTJ, and ESTJ, approach content creation. Each type brings something unique to the table. We'll delve into their focus, approach, preferred content style, and overall goals. Understanding these nuances can help us appreciate the diversity in content creation. By understanding these differences, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the diverse tapestry of content that exists and learn how to leverage our unique strengths as creators. This knowledge can be transformative, so let's embark on this journey of exploration and discover the fascinating interplay between personality and content creation. It's a journey that promises to be enlightening and inspiring. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, understanding your type can be a game changer in crafting content that resonates with your audience and reflects your authentic self. Let's dive in and explore together. ENFJs are natural storytellers. They are charismatic and passionate. They connect with their audience on an emotional level. Their content is often inspiring, uplifting, and thought-provoking. ENFJs approach content creation with a focus on human connection. They want to make a difference in the world. They do this by sharing stories that resonate with their audience's values and aspirations. Their content is often infused with personal anecdotes, relatable experiences, and a strong sense of empathy. ENFJs excel at creating content that is both engaging and meaningful. They are skilled at using storytelling to educate, inspire, and motivate their audience. Their ultimate goal is to create a positive impact on the world by fostering connection, understanding, and empathy through their content. ENTJs are natural leaders. They are strategic thinkers. They are driven to achieve their goals. Their content is often informative, insightful, and thought-provoking. They aim to inspire action. ENTJs approach content creation with a clear vision and a strategic plan. They identify their target audience and tailor their content to meet their needs. They are masters of organization and structure, presenting information in a clear and concise manner. ENTJs excel at creating content that is both informative and actionable. They provide their audience with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. Their ultimate goal is to empower their audience to take action and achieve their full potential. NTPs are natural analysts. They are curious and insightful. They enjoy exploring complex ideas. Their content is often thought-provoking, original, and intellectually stimulating. ENTPs approach content creation with a thirst for knowledge and a desire to share their unique perspectives. They are drawn to unconventional ideas and enjoy challenging the status quo. Their content is often research-heavy, exploring multiple angles of a topic in depth. INTPs excel at creating content that sparks curiosity and encourages critical thinking. They are skilled at presenting complex information in a way that is both engaging and accessible. Their ultimate goal is to inspire intellectual exploration and encourage their audience to think differently. effective and actionable. They provide their audience with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. Their ultimate goal is to empower their audience to take action and achieve their goals. The content spectrum, a reflection of ourselves. As we've explored these 5 personality types, it becomes clear that our personalities significantly influence the content we create. From the charismatic storytelling of the ENFJ to the practical advice of the ESTJ, each type brings its unique strengths and perspectives to the digital landscape. The content we consume and create is a reflection of who we are. It reveals our interests, passions, and values. By understanding the motivations and approaches of different personality types, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of content available to us. The power of understanding, leveraging your strengths. Understanding your personality type can be a powerful tool for content creators. By recognizing your strengths, you can play to them, creating content that feels authentic and engaging. For example, if you're an ENFJ, embrace your storytelling abilities. Use personal anecdotes to connect with your audience on an emotional level. If you're an ISTJ, leverage your meticulous nature. Become a trusted source of accurate and reliable information. Beyond the types embracing individuality. While personality typing systems offer valuable insights, it's important to remember that they are just that, insights. They are not definitive boxes that limit our potential. Each individual is a unique blend of strengths, weaknesses, and experiences. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content styles and approaches. Step outside of your comfort zone and explore new ways of expressing yourself. The beauty of content creation lies in its ability to evolve and adapt alongside our own personal growth. Content creation, a journey of self-discovery. Ultimately, content creation is a journey of self-discovery. It's a process of uncovering our voices, exploring our passions, and sharing our unique perspectives with the world. By embracing our individuality and leveraging our strengths, we can create content that is both meaningful and impactful. So whether you're an ENFJ weaving captivating stories or an ISTJ presenting well-researched facts, remember that your unique voice has a place in the digital world. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it shine through your content. Your unique voice in the digital world. In the vast and ever-expanding digital landscape, it's easy to feel lost in the noise and chaos. But by understanding the interplay between personality and content creation, we can find our footing and discover our unique voices amidst the clutter. As we've explored, each personality type brings its own strengths and perspectives to the table, enriching the content we create. By recognizing and leveraging these differences, we can create content that is not only engaging but also authentically reflects who we are, resonating deeply with our audience. So, as you embark on your content creation journey, remember to embrace your individuality and let it guide your creative process. Let your personality shine through every piece of content you create, and watch as you connect with others who appreciate your unique voice and perspective. The digital world is waiting to hear what you have to say, and your unique voice is more important than ever. Thanks for watching.